You want to send a secret message, but you know not using scissor cipher because it can be easily cracked using frequency analysis. If you don't know that, just click on the icon appearing right now on the screen. Okay, so what are other alternatives you have? Well, the Vigenere cipher is easy to use and it's much safer as it uses a key. To use it, you will need a Vigenere table, as you can see right here. Also, before starting, please subscribe, as this is a very small channel and it would mean much for me. Okay, so let's start with the decryption actually. Let's say you agreed with the person you are receiving the message from on a key. Subscribe, let's say, the thing you should do. And this is the message you got. You can't understand much now. The first thing you need to do is to go to the line of the first letter of the key, in our case S, from subscribe. So S is here. Now you go on the line until you meet the first letter of the encrypted message L. So you go like this until you find L. Now from here you go up. And this is the first letter of the actual message, T. You do the same thing for the second letter of the key, U in this case, until you meet B. So you go until here and now up to H. The second letter is H. Now, you can decipher this for yourself, or after hearing a little bit about the history of the Vigenere cipher, you can let me tell you the actual message. The Vigenere cipher was first described in 1553 and resisted breaking attempts until 1863, when later was misattributed in the 19th century actually to Blaise de Vigenere. Okay, so the entire message is the end is near. I think you found that yourself. Now let's go to enciphering. So to encipher a message you first need to think of a key. I'm going to use the key OTP. If you don't know what this stands from, you need to watch another video. I haven't posted yet, but if you are from the future, you can watch it at the end of this video. It stands from one time pad. So you also need a message. A good message would be, for example, subscribe and share. Another thing you should do. So you need to go to the column of the first letter of the message, in our case, of the not encrypted message, S, and the line of the first letter of the key, O. You go and you need to go to the line until you meet the column of the letter. They meet at G in our case. So the first letter of the encrypted message would be G. Now let's go for the second letter, which is U. So you go here to U, and you also need to go to the second letter of the key, which is T. So you go until T meets U at N. So the second letter would be N. And so on and so forth. Encrypting and decrypting messages this way is easy and much harder to break than scissor cipher. Now that you made it until here, please comment anything. I read all the comments and I answer to all of them. And please share this video with your friends if you enjoyed it, because it's likely they'll enjoy it too. Thanks very much for watching.